In this video, we will be learning about the rapid infuser warmer.
This is level 1 H1200 fast flow fluid warmer. This machine can be used when there is excessive loss of electrolytes or fluid. With this machine, you can deliver around 1 liter of fluid in 1 minute at normothermic temperature. So how to operate this? This is entire machine. 2 chambers are provided in which 300 mm Hg pressure can be generated. Whatever the IV bags or blood bags that can be hanged in the provided hooks. Once it is in the provided hooks, once it will be hanged, the chamber need to be closed. Then the machine is connected to the power socket, and here it is green button. When we press it, the machine will start. Now, if you want to generate the pressure of 300 mm Hg, you have to rotate this knob toward plus. So, this bag will inflate and it will generate a pressure of 300 mm Hg on IV bag. And due to that pressure, a rapid infusion will take place. Now we will see how to connect this consumable with the machine. So there are 4 locations provided. 1, 2, this one is 3 and 4. Accordingly, we have to fix this consumable. So this end will go toward the chambers and it will connect it to the IV bags. Just a minute. Now this end will connect it in first point. Then this is second. You have to pull this to fit it properly. Then third position, you have to push it down. Once you push it down, it will come out. Then connect it in provided groove and then close it properly. And this is fourth position. Place it inside properly. Once all consumable will be placed properly, fitted properly, then start the machine. So once you will connect this to the IV bags or blood bags, then the flow will take place throughout the provided tubings. And the actual heat exchange will occur in this heat exchanger rod. Okay. Now there are several troubleshootings that can be managed if that will be arose. So there are several alarms. If this alarm will glow, which means the tube is not fitted properly. The tube is not fitted properly. Then again, if there is less water in the provided chamber, water chamber, then this alarm will glow, and this is over temperature alarm. Again, there are second alarm panel. There is second alarm panel. Here also, if the tube is not fitted properly, consumable are not fitted properly, then this alarm will glow. If the air is involved or occlusion is occurred, then this alarm will glow. H1200 fast flow fluid warmer for rapid infusion up to 1 liter per minute.